off, unplug power cord. Press cutter handle. Remove casing. Slide up to unlock cutter slide buckle. Open cutter handle. Remove old cutter using L-shaped wrench. Replaced with new cutters. Insert new cutter. Verify cutter spring back function. Close cutter handle. Slide down to lock cutter slide buckle. Press cutter handle. Install casing. Plug in power cord. Power on. Click Settings. Self-check. Select All to begin. Waiting for machine self-test completion.
Enter the Wiki official website to find more information.